Horses are the animals with the most interesting sleep patterns in nature. Humans sleep for long periods of time at night. However, the sleep system of horses is more advanced in development. They sleep in short intervals throughout the day, and parts of this sleep occurs while standing. Let's see how it is implemented. 1. Light sleep stage. Horses' sleep mainly consists of light sleep. In this stage, horses usually sleep standing up. They have a special mechanism in their body called the stay apparatus. Thanks to this mechanism, horses' legs are locked in a certain position and they can stay standing for a long time without using much of their muscles. During light sleep, horses do not completely fall into a deep sleep. Their ears and other sensory organs still remain active. When they sense any danger in the environment, the horse immediately wakes up and is ready to run. This feature is one of the most important instincts that helps horses living in the wild survive. Sometimes horses during light sleep lower their heads a little, keep their eyes half closed and stand still. A person looking from the outside may think that the horse is just standing and resting, but in fact, at that moment, the horse is in a light sleep state. 2. Deep sleep stage. Horses need deep sleep just like humans and other animals. This stage is important for their brain to recover and their memory to be strengthened. However, horses can lie down and fall into a deep sleep. This is because the body must be completely relaxed during this stage and the muscles relax during this process. The deep sleep stage usually does not last very long. Sometimes this sleep can last only 5 to 10 minutes. But this short period is enough for the horse's brain to rest. If the horse does not feel safe, it may be reluctant to lie down and sleep. For this reason, some horses suffer from a lack of deep sleep. Therefore, it is very important for horses to have a calm and safe environment. 3. Distribution of sleep during the day. Instead of one long nap, horses take several short naps throughout the day. These naps sometimes last only a few minutes. In total, a horse sleeps about 2 to 3 hours a day. Most of this sleep is light sleep while standing. Deep sleep can last only 20 to 30 minutes a day. This intermittent sleep pattern of horses helps them to stay alert and ready for danger. 4. Herd sleep system. Horses are social animals and usually live in herds. This social life can also affect their sleep patterns. While some horses in a herd sleep, others observe their surroundings. Thanks to this system, they protect the safety of their herd. If they sense any danger, the alert horses can immediately warn the others. This behavior is one of the collective defense methods that has developed over thousands of years in the wild. 5. Horses' sleeping patterns. Horses can sleep in a variety of positions. The most common position is a light standing position. However, horses sometimes sleep lying on their sides. Horses that lie down sometimes sleep with their legs fully extended or their bodies slightly curled up. This position indicates that they feel completely secure. 6. Sleep differences by age. Horses have different sleep patterns depending on their age. For example, newborn foals sleep more than adults. They need longer sleep periods as their bodies and brains are still developing. Young horses often lie down and can sometimes sleep for hours. Mature horses, on the other hand, sleep in shorter, more intermittent naps. 7. The impact of the environment on sleep. The environment in which horses live has a great impact on their sleep patterns and quality. Horses living in a quiet and safe environment are able to sleep more soundly. If the stable where they live is too noisy or there is a lot of movement around, horses cannot sleep completely peacefully. This can also reduce the quality of their sleep. 8. The connection between health and sleep. A horse's sleeping habits can provide important information about their health. For example, if a horse does not lie down for a long time, this can be a sign of stress or anxiety. On the other hand, excessive lying down can sometimes indicate poor health in horses. Therefore, horse owners should carefully monitor their horses' sleeping behavior. Conclusion: the sleep pattern of horses is one of the interesting adaptations that nature has bestowed upon them. Their ability to sleep standing up allows them to react quickly in case of danger. At the same time, short periods of deep sleep are enough to restore their brain activity. Thanks to this unique sleep system, horses can both rest and remain alert at all times. This feature is one of the most important factors that has helped them survive in the wild for thousands of years.